Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Mix Flip, and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So let's begin with making sure that you've got the internet connection it is required, and I highly recommend to use the Wi-Fi instead of mobile data, and then we can enter the settings. All we have to do is to tap on About Phone, which is at the top of the list, and here let's simply tap on this Xiaomi Hyper OS. Just tap on it, and as you can see, your device is checking for the updates. Here we had this information that no updates are available, and this is the first scenario which we can meet, which means, of course, that you're up to date. If you're not sure, you can tap on check for updates again. And the second scenario, which I cannot unfortunately show you, but I can explain, is that where your device will actually find the update. It will show you the information about it, what has been fixed, what has been added, the name of it, etc. And then you will be able to tap on download or update, and your device will download the new system, the update actually. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.